Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to talking about the extinct bird dodo. The dodo, Rhapis cucullatus, was a flightless bird that was endemic to the island of Mauritius, which is east of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. The dodo's closest genetic relative was the also extinct Rodrigues solitaire. The two formed the subfamily Raphininae, a clade of extinct flightless birds that were a part of the family, which includes pigeons and doves. The closest living relative of the dodo is the Nicobar pigeon. The dodo was about the size of a turkey with a heavy body, small wings, and a large head. It had grayish or brownish plumage with lighter primary feathers and a tuft of curly light feathers high on its rear end. The head was gray and naked, the beak green, black, and yellow, and the legs were stout and yellowish with black claws. The dodo was a herbivore, and its diet consisted mainly of fruits, seeds, and nuts. It also ate some insects and snails. The dodo was not a particularly fast runner, but it was good at swimming. The dodo was first discovered by Portuguese sailors in the early 16th century. The sailors hunted the dodo for food and introduced other animals to Mauritius, such as dogs, pigs, and monkeys. These animals preyed on the dodo's eggs and young, and the dodo's population declined rapidly. The last dodo was seen in 1662, and the species is now extinct. The dodo has become a symbol of extinction, and its story is often used to teach about the importance of conservation. The dodo's extinction was caused by a combination of factors, including hunting, habitat destruction, and the introduction of foreign species. These factors are still a threat to many other species today. The dodo's scientific name, Rhapis cucullatus, means cuckoo with a hood. The dodo's eggs were about the size of ostrich eggs, and they could weigh up to 1.5 pounds. The dodo is a reminder of the fragility of life on Earth. It is important to learn from the dodo's extinction and take steps to protect other species from the same fate.